Guys, we got an official ONVO launch date for the car, and then they're going to get deliveries right after that. Also, the shorts are absolutely panicking. We'll go over why. There's evidence here in China that people are trying to suppress NIO. All right, they're intentionally trying to suppress NIO, and I've noticed this, so I'm going to be explaining that as well. But first of all, of course, ONVO is going to be launched on the 20th of this month. This was revealed during a live stream by ONVO upper management, and he said on the 20th you can expect to see the accurate price, the actual price of the car, what it will be, and also the actual benefits of the car. All right, so owner benefits, ONVO owner perks, benefits, what kind of privileges you get, what the Founders Edition gets. So there will be a Founders Edition of the ONVO L60. Early ONVO buyers, they will get some extra privilege. So they're going to reveal all that on September 20th. And then also right after that, deliveries immediately, and also test drives in the stores. So this month, in September, you're actually going to see ONVO deliveries kick in. This is massive bullish news for all NIO shareholders. It's finally here. It's finally being delivered. We waited so long. The Tesla Model Y killer, the specs of this car absolutely just outmatches Tesla Model Y, and it's cheaper. So it's gonna sell tremendously well. And with BAS renting the battery instead of buying it down to 170,000 RMB, that is a no-brainer. Why would you even buy BYD? You would buy this car. As of pre-market trading, NIO stock has also broken above that wedge, this bullish falling wedge, and of course we could see further momentum going forward, pushing the stock price up even higher, $6, $8, $10, $15 a share. All very possible. Shorts are being squeezed right now, and they are panicking, and here's why. Now, here in China, I have noticed that on my video feeds, like just browsing through videos online, I've noticed that there are an abnormal amount of negative videos with NIO with pertaining car crashes. For example, these videos, like more of these videos have popped up on my feed more than normal, all right? Like this one, it's a NIO involved in an accident. I mean, accidents are common, but the way they phrased it, all right, they phrased it like the NIO went out of control, as if it was NIO's fault. But usually in these situations, it's most likely the driver's fault, stepping on the wrong pedal, and they're phrasing it as if it was NIO's fault, as if the vehicle had some problem and then it lost control. And these were abnormally, like, more of these videos on my feed. It's like everywhere. All right, combine that with the bankruptcy bullshit. That's just like telling you that there's some panicking short sellers, hedgies, trying to push down NIO stock. And what's even more weird, with these videos, they directly mention NIO. All right, they directly mention NIO. They say it's a NIO. But with other automakers like BYD or other vehicles, when they have these kind of accidents and they have videos of these accidents, they say new energy vehicle company, and they don't mention the name. All right, so it's like with other guys, when they're involved in an accident, they don't mention the name, but when it comes to NIO, they mention the name. This sounds very suspicious. So there are short sellers and hedgies and competitors trying to deliberately push NIO down, push NIO stock down. And right at this time point, all right, when NIO is launching the ONVO, a very critical period where it's like this product must succeed for NIO, right? And then everybody, the competitors and shorts, they're trying to make sure that it doesn't, which, it's understandable why. They have everything to gain if this car doesn't succeed. But in my opinion, this car will absolutely succeed. And I give you guys the unfiltered, honest opinion. And in my honest opinion, this car right now is actually better than NIO's existing vehicles. All right, that's how good it is. right? And it's not me hating on NIO, because ONVO is NIO. All right, let's not forget about that. But it is just what it is. All right, this car has a hell of a lot of space. 900 volt NIO's current vehicle still 400 volt. Okay, and of course, horizontal screen. We don't have a horizontal screen on NIO's yet. So this car, and also don't forget, there's also like stuff that they haven't even talked about that we're gonna get on the launch date. For example, one of the most anticipated things is the fridge slash freezer that can be detachable, that can fit in the trunk of the car. So that space, that little concave space, that's where you can put that freezer slash fridge in. And lots of people are very curious about what that looks like, what it's going to be priced at, and that is going to be a hot seller, because with that you can go on a shopping trip, right? Go get groceries, you can buy whatever you want, maybe even buy ice cream, and then you can put the ice cream inside that freezer and not worry about it melting, and you can do whatever you want to do, and you don't have to immediately go home after a shopping trip. This, from a family's perspective, that is just such a essential feature. All right, people want that. So this car really hits the nail on every single aspect. All right, on every single aspect: comfort, ease of use, all right, upgradability for the battery. You can do battery swap and really save on time as well. And guys, deliveries are gonna kick in this month. How crazy is that? And even though production is gonna take some time to ramp up, but they've been producing cars for several weeks already. All right, so they already have a good batch of cars already made. All right, these cars that you're seeing right now are all produced by the factory. All right, the Hefei factory number 2. So they have a lot of cars ready for delivery. They just got to launch it on the 20th. All right, have all the privileges and pricing set, and also the battery swap fees, everything set. And then they can just go ahead and launch it, and it's going to be ready. All right, no delays, no nothing else. Finally launching the car. Deliveries are going to be impacted this month by ONVO in a good way. We may even see very positive guidance from management during the earnings report tomorrow. They might say that they expect to sell however many X amount of ONVO vehicles in the future in Q3 and Q4, and that's totally possible. And of course, Q4, you're gonna see a lot more ONVO deliveries in Q4, so that's gonna be very, very nice. The shorts are absolutely panicking. You can tell they're pissing their pants, and it's time to squeeze those shorts. It's time for those hedge funds to pay the price. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.